Hey beauties, it's Daisy here. Welcome to my channel. Today we have this beautiful highlighted lace front. Well, it's not lace front. Let me get that correct. Hold up. Because you know your girl usually does the lace fronts. This is a closure wig, yes. Closure wig, no baby hairs or anything, just flawless, simple, easy install. If you guys are interested, keep on watching. Today's hair is from Unice Wigs, and they sent me a 24-inch closure wig. They sent some goodies with an adjustable strap as well as a wig cap. And here is a close-up of that closure. They actually have like a fake scalp under here. I'm gonna show you guys. First, I wanna show you how the baby hairs look. It comes pre-plucked, and here is the fake scalp. So we got this beautiful closure wig. Oh, I got some of the lace on here. I cut off the lace on the bottom of this wig already, and here's the front. I already straightened it, so I'm gonna touch it up a little bit once we put it on. And this wig is gonna be a super easy install. So let's put it on my head. Now I got a big head, so I'd be acting funny about some of these wigs now. Okay, but this is fitting, so that's a good thing. Ooh. I'm excited already. I love a good highlighted wig. So there's a pro about closure wigs. You can actually just install it super easy, less plucking, less time spending on your hairline. You can see right here how it looks on the side. So you can't wear this wig half up, half down. You can really only wear it straight. You can probably finesse it and put like some little twists here. That's about it. But if you're into just a straight sleek style, this is perfect for you. So I plucked the hairline a little bit. You can see, look, I burnt my forehead. Tripping with this hot comb, I can't help it. I be trying to get them edges, girl. My fake edges. So I'm just gonna cut off this lace here and install it, and we're gonna get this going. We're gonna make this a glueless install. A lot of people like glueless installs as well. They probably don't like all the harsh glue, but I really like my wigs to stay in place. I want you to come over to me and pull that bad boy and nothing's coming off. And here is the final look. This wig is 24 inches, I believe. It comes down almost to my waist. Super cute. I would show you guys, but I don't have any pants on. Shh, don't tell anybody. So I'm not gonna get up. My favorite part about this wig is the highlights. This blonde is amazing. It's not even like a honey blonde. It's like a really light kind of ash color. And I like that it's not too much highlights. It still has that brown in between here. You guys can see. And the closure looks bomb. It comes with like a fake scalp. I put some concealer in here. And yeah, like this is everything. This wig, I'm ready to slay, girl. Where am I going? Nowhere. That's what sucks. I be getting so cute and I really just chill, take pictures with my baby. So at least I can do that. But I give my undivided attention to her if I'm not doing a video, okay? I love her. So this wig is really good. It doesn't have anything with shedding or tangling. This is cute. I would highly recommend this. Closure wigs, I never really were into closure wigs, but I'm kind of starting to get into them because it's an easier install than the frontal. The frontal, you gotta make sure everything is just right, baby hairs and everything. But closure, you can just pop this on and it still looks, you know, it looks like a wig, but it looks way more natural. You can't see any lace or anything, like, no. So as far as shedding or tangling, I'm not having any of that. This hair is so soft, it's flowy. Can you see that? Yeah, no complaints, no complaints whatsoever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please show your girl support. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Till my next video, peace.